today we are going to make cake. So we need cake mix and bowl, spoon, cup with water. So water here I will measurement, egg and vegetable oil. Let's start. So first this much. So my auntie is helping me. This much, yeah, size.
Enough.
Now we need this. Hey guys, we put water and vegetable oil. So now let's put the cake mix. The measurement is in this here. This is cake mix. Let's put 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! Now let's put the egg. Crack it. Ah! I crack it like this. Like it.
Keep it in the bowl.
Now let's start. Let me break this thing. You'll make cake, it'll be so fun. Now hold the bowl and mix 10 minutes. Ew, it's getting too brownish. It's a little, I think it's chocolate cake. Okay guys, make sure there are no lumps. Lumps means these dot on there. So we have to keep mixing. Oh, thank you, Mama. Oh, now let's mix it this one. Oh my god. It's brown. You, Auntie, I never made cake in my life. Actually. But me and my father make cupcakes. But not cake. We buy cake. Oh, this is going to be awesome. 10 minutes are over. So are there any lumps? Oh yeah, there is. Mix. Oh, it's easy to make a cake, but when we eat it, it's delicious. I hope it will be delicious. Okay guys, now we put it in microwave. Whoa. Let's close, and now I know how to do this. Let's check. So I will open the microwave and this toothpick will go inside the cake. If nothing will come, means the cake is good. Let's go. Nothing will happen, yeah? Whoa!
Put more. Full.
That good? Whoa, it's clean. How? Okay guys, we've done the cake, so let's just done this. Auntie, help me. Whoa, how cool. It's a little hot. It's small, actually. Yummy, now we'll decorate. There will be more yummier. Finally, my cake is done. It looks so yummy. You can also try it. See you in next video. Bye.